And thank you very much for clicking onto this video. So it is a thrifted Balenciaga haul. Well, there's only one item. And thrifting, I've said on previous videos before, if you've ever watched any of my thrifted videos, is the charity shops here are really small. So I would say the majority of the stuff I find is online, and I feel it's more relevant now with all that's going on. Loads of people are turning online to look to see if they can find any pre-loved bargains, and you can definitely find them. They're out there, but you do have to be careful. Only maybe a week or so before Christmas, I bought a pre-loved Gucci bag and it turned out to be fake. So luckily I paid with PayPal and the seller accepted the return and there was no issue. But you do, even if you think you know all the signs to look out for, you definitely need to do a lot of research. I think there's nothing like having and looking at the bag up and close and personal to try and decide whether it's real or not. So this bag I bought from Depop, and I've bought from the seller before, which is always a good sign, but it's still not a guarantee that the item is going to be real. Hold on a second. And also just going by what she was selling, I mean, I'm pretty confident this is going to be a first impressions when I'm opening it. I'm not going to be able to tell right away for sure that if it's authentic. I do have I have a few Balenciaga bags. I've actually a fake one of this particular one. So I'll leave that for another video to compare. This is really just a first impressions of me opening it. So I've already said what it is. It's a Balenciaga bag, and you'll see what type of bag it is when I open it. Alright. My name is actually, I forgot to take my name off it. I might need something to, oh no, I can open it. And the seller has wrapped it really well. I've bought off her before and never had a problem. And it's bubble wrapped as well. So that's great. And this includes the spike as well, which is really good. So I'm loving that. With the Balenciaga dust bag. And it feels really like a really thick cotton type material. And this is the bag. So it is a Balenciaga city bag, and it is, the only reason I got it cheap, and I'll talk about the price in a minute, is because it's really faded and well loved. But I don't mind that. I think with this particular style of bag, it really suits it. And also I have plenty of black leather dye. I can touch it up. That's not going to be a problem. I've did bags before and they've been okay. Yeah, so I'm just looking over the bag. Yeah, the handles are great. I actually thought it was going to be far worse than it is, so this is actually in really good condition. The handles, I mean, the majority of these go right away. The threads are usually sort of one of the first areas to see the wear, because you're obviously holding the handles in all the time. The corners, another thing, the corners seem okay. the other corners. They're rubbed, but I mean leather dye over that should disguise it. And she did say the little leather tags were missing, but they're really easily replaced. And there's leather inside there. I'm just looking at the strap. And right, I'm going to open inside. And the inside is really, really clean actually. Side is, oh my gosh, I mean the inside is, I am surprised. The inside is really clean for it to be a really pre-loved bag. She really takes care of all her stuff. And that is a little plaque. Now I did quickly check out the serial number and the style, and it corresponds with what it should be, just as a quick authentication. This is not gonna, I'll try and put a still image on the screen there of the tag, but that's one of the first things that you do to authenticate. Let's say I'll probably do another video on ways in which I try and look to see that this is a proper authentic. And the inside pocket is lovely and clean as well. This is amazing. The only thing really is the colour, which can easily, definitely easily be fixed, but I think it adds to the sort of worn look. So the price I paid, I think she was looking for £75, which is a really, really good price. I went ahead and paid the £75 because I had money in my PayPal account. I think I had about £20 in my PayPal account, so that really I only paid £55 for it, so that is super, really, really good. Balenciaga is one of my favourite brands of bags. I have a few of them. I definitely need to do more handbag videos, but I definitely, now that I have this, I think I will do a video on comparing a real Balenciaga with my fake one that I got. Yeah. And ways which I try and authenticate. But as always, I run everything past the Purse Forum. Purse Forum is an excellent resource for finding out about different size of bags, authenticating, and it's free. It's run by people that work in the industry and also bag addicts as well. It's amazing, and they usually get back to you really, really quick. I'll put that name in the description box, but it's purseforum.com. There's also other ways to authenticate as well. I think if you pay a lot of money or are thinking of reselling the bag again, I would always try and authenticate it rather than doing it yourself, just to be sure. But yes, so I'm really pleased with this little guy that came in the post this morning. First impressions, I definitely think it's real. The leather alone is just amazing. So it is. And of course the seller I bought it off, I have every confidence in. So I'm really happy with the Balenciaga city bag. If you have any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments below, and look out for that video. I'm definitely going to do it soon. And if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And it is a new year. I think this is my first video for the new year. So happy new year, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.